If your iPhone 5 cable has become frayed like this, let me show you how to fix it. First, trim off the frayed part with an X-Acto knife or any sharp object. But be careful not to cut the cable or else you will have some other problems. After you have trimmed the rip part back a little bit, get some heat shrink and cut it to about a little bigger than the size that you trimmed off. Right here should be good. Now just slide it over the end of the cable and use a lighter to shrink the heat shrink tubing. And you're done.